Good morning. Welcome to City Medical Center. How can I help you today?
Good morning. My name is Ben Johnson. I would like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Of course, Mr. Johnson. What type of appointment do you need? Is this for a checkup, or do you have a specific concern?
I have been having some headaches lately, and I would like to get them checked out.
I understand. Dr. Smith can definitely help you with that. Are you a current patient, or is this your first visit with us?
I am a current patient. I was here about 6 months ago for my annual checkup.
Perfect. Let me pull up your file on the computer. When would you prefer to come in? Are mornings or afternoons better for you?
Afternoons work better for me. Do you have anything available this week?
Let me check our schedule on the computer. How about Thursday at 2:30 p.m.? Would that work for you?
Thursday at 2:30. Yes, that sounds perfect. Should I bring anything specific to the appointment?
Just bring your insurance card and a list of any medications you are currently taking. Also, it would help if you could write down when the headaches started and how often you get them.
That is great advice. Thank you. Do I need to arrive early?
Yes, please arrive 15 minutes early to update any insurance information and fill out a symptom form at the front desk.
Understood. So that is Thursday at 2:30 p.m. and I should arrive at 2:15?
That is correct. Here, let me write that down for you. Dr. Smith will see you on Thursday, October 15th at 2:30 p.m. Please arrive by 2:15.
Perfect. One more question. What if I need to cancel or reschedule?
Just come back here or call us at least 24 hours in advance. There's a cancellation fee if you cancel with less than 24 hours notice.
Good to know. Thank you so much for your help, Emma. I really appreciate it.
You are very welcome, Mr. Johnson. Here is your appointment reminder card. We'll see you on Thursday. Take care.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. See you Thursday.